Hello everyone, today I am going to share with you how to create an infographic interactive button inside Spark AR. So today the demo is to use this function and then create some graphic panel to make some short intro of different parts of your product. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so basically you can see inside that we made some interactive buttons, right? And then you can see, yeah, and then each part, for example, like this part is landing legs, this part is the engine, this little part, and the structure. Yeah, it's best for describing or introducing the features for your product. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first I import the SpaceX models and apply different materials in it. So basically, for example, like you can see this one. Okay, so this is UI. Okay, so this is the whole part. I download from Sketchfab first, and then I drag in, and different part I apply different material. For example, like this is engine, right? So I import the texture and import everything. So first, create and modeling all your 3D model. If you don't know how to do it, you can watch the previous tutorial. And then second, I put some particle system. So how to create a particle system, you can go back to our previous tutorial. So basically, you go here, and then you can add particle system here. I add two particle system. One is grayish, another one is red. So this one is red. Yeah, I made smoke array red, and basically just add red inside. Yeah, so those are the particle system. Okay, so how to create an interactive button? First, go here. Okay, so that's create a canvas. Go here, add object, and then create canvas. First, you create a canvas. Second, you create rectangles and put your UI in it. For example, let's create another button, and later on you can apply it. Okay, so let's create another new UI. Okay, create a canvas. Okay, so this is the canvas. This is another canvas. Okay, so in this canvas, okay, so this canvas, we need to, there are two types of space. One is camera space, another one is world space. And because we want this UI to just really closer to the object rather than the full screen size, so we need to go back and then enlarge it. Yeah, make it like kind of like around the same size as this one. Okay, so I only do one button, and later on you can apply everything on your own. Okay, so let's make it like UI version 2. Okay, so this one, and later on we need to add a square, a rectangle. Okay, so let's add a rectangle and say button. Yeah, like whatever you want to name. Okay, so this button, because it's under the canvas, so basically they don't have like a Z space. So okay, so let's see. Okay, so basically drag it closer. Okay, probably around here. Yeah, okay, so make it smaller. Yeah, for example, like something like that. Right, okay, cool. Okay. Yeah, you can apply everything later. Okay, so we have one button. And then we need to apply the materials. And previously I made a lot of UI on my own. So you can see I create the button using Shutterstock. I get one button and then I start creating. This is like transparency. I use opacity 80% and I put like I go to SpaceX website and pretty much copy and paste because I'm not professional in space area. So if I rewrite it, I might get something wrong. So yeah, so make sure it's all right. Okay, so I create those. Then I made the PNG transparent file. Then I import into the text first. Then I create materials here. Okay, so button. Let's put the material and then add a button. Okay, so you've got one button, right? And then we probably need to make it a little smaller. Okay, cool. Okay, for example, like this. And then we need another one called panel. Yeah, and then it's still the same, it's rectangle as well. Okay, so okay, I want to make the it's under the UI too. Okay, so insert. Okay, so this is the panel. Okay, so let's put next to it and then resize it. Okay, so and then let's add the material, whatever panel. For example, like what's that? It's the leg. Okay, and then if you see some, some distortion, we kind of like need to make sure it looks right. I mean, okay, cool. So let's put here. Put here. Okay, cool. Okay, so that's still the fun part. Fun part is the patch editor. Okay, so let's create another one somewhere. Okay, so first we want to tap the button, right? So from the interaction, we create object tap from the button. Okay, so this button, we have the object tap. And when we want to tap, we want to toggle another object, which is the panel. So we need to switch to another object. So we need to use switch. So insert switch. And then when we tap, then it's like when we tap, let me show you. It comes out. When we tap it again, it goes off, right? So it's flipping. If you only tap on, it's when you tap, it will still remain tap on. So you need to do flip. Okay, then let's do this. This one, we want the panel to be visible, right? So, okay, so basically when we tap this comes out. And then, yeah, it's a little annoying that we need to swap it every time. Okay, so basically when we tap one time, it's gone. When we tap second time, it's there. Okay, so basically you just create the first button. Like you can see I create 4 buttons and I pretty much use the same concept, use the same principle, and from button tap, right? and then switch. When I tap one time, it's the panel is visible. I press one time, the panel is visible, right? And then when I press the second time, the panel is gone. Okay, so pretty much that's the whole concept of the space AR, the whole tutorial. Thanks for watching. Okay, and see you next time. Bye bye.